In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change author name in Microsoft Word using two methods. If you're creating or editing a Microsoft Word document, the author name can appear in the document properties, comments, and tracked changes. If the name is incorrect or you want to use a different author name, Microsoft Word provides a couple of ways to change it. The first method is to change the author name through Word options. Start by opening Microsoft Word and going to the File tab in the upper left corner. From the File menu, select Options. This will open the Word Options window. In the Word Options window, select General from the menu on the left. Look for the section called Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here, you'll find the username field. Enter the name that you want Microsoft Word to use as the author name. You can also check the option that says, Always use these values regardless of sign-in to Office if it is available and appropriate for your version of Word. Once you've entered the new author name, click OK to save the change. The new name will now be used by Word for new content that uses the Office user information. Now let's look at the second method, which allows you to change the author information for a specific document. Open the Word document where you want to change the author name. Go to the File tab and select Info. In the Document Information area, look for Properties. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, you may see the author listed directly in the document properties. Click the author name or open the Properties options to edit the document's information. Enter the new author name you want associated with the document. After making the change, save the document so that the updated information is retained. Keep in mind that changing the author information for a specific document does not necessarily change the general username that Microsoft Word uses for other documents. The two settings can serve different purposes. If you're working with comments or track changes, the author name may also be associated with existing revisions or comments. Changing the general Word username does not automatically change the name already attached to existing comments or tracked changes. After making your changes, review the document properties to confirm that the author information is correct. And that's how you can change the author name in Microsoft Word using two different methods. You can change the general Word username through Word Options, or update the author information for a specific document through its properties. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,